Good morning, my dear students. I am extremely happy to meet you all once again for a video presentation like this. Those who are interested in having automatic notification about the new videos being uploaded in the channel, please subscribe by clicking the subscribe button as well as the bell icon. Subscription has no charges. And those who want to reach more people after watching such videos, share the videos with your friends and relatives and known circle. Advise them to subscribe and then watch subscription, since subscription has no charges. In the previous video meant for class 10 of CBSE, we have seen how to solve system of linear equations, simultaneous linear equations using elimination method. We'll do one problem in elimination method and proceed with the solution of such equation using substitution method in this particular video presentation. I'll take one example, solve using elimination method. Solve using, just as a recap, okay, we'll just see 3x minus 4y is equal to 11. 5x plus 3y is equal to minus 1. Let us just see how we go about it. 3x minus 4y is equal to 11, equation 1. Okay, next 5x plus 3y is equal to minus 1, equation 2. Okay, what I will do is, I will try to eliminate y. In the previous cases, I might have done problems how to eliminate x and then we have done. We will try to eliminate y and proceed in this particular example. Okay, let me multiply equation 1 by 3. I will get 9x minus 12y is equal to 33. That is totally different from the other two. Therefore, I call it as equation 3. I just multiply equation 2 by 4. 20x plus 12y is equal to minus 4. This is equation 4. Now, I will just add these two so that 12y minus 12y will get cancelled. I will get 29x is equal to 29, which implies x is equal to 29 by 29, which is 1. Therefore, 1 will imply you 3 minus 4y is equal to 11, which implies minus 4y is equal to 8. Therefore, y is equal to 8 by minus 4 is equal to minus 2. Therefore, x is equal to 1, y is equal to minus 2 is the required solution. Is the required solution. Or solution is either way you can write. Is the required solution. Okay, or is the solution. Either way you can write. Doesn't matter. Okay, let me just explain once again. I have taken a problem just as a recap how to do elimination method of solving using elimination method. Okay, 3x minus 4y equal to 11. I call it as equation 1. 5x plus 3y equal to minus 1. Call it as equation 2. I am just solving by eliminating y. So far I have done in the previous video how eliminating x we have done. Now multiply equation 1 with 3 by 3. Therefore 9x minus 12y is equal to 33 is equation 3. Now multiply equation 2 by 4. 4 5s are 20. 20x plus 12y is equal to minus 4, equation 4. Now since they are of opposite signs, I need to add so that they will get cancelled. Add both the equations. 12y minus 12y gets cancelled. 20x plus 9x is 29x. 33 minus 4 I am adding. Okay, don't by mistake subtract the right hand side. 33 minus 4 addition becomes 29. X becomes 29 by 29, which is 1. Go back to equation 1. 3 into 1 is 3. 3 minus 4y is 11. Minus 4y is 11 minus 3, 8. Y is 8 by minus 4 minus 2. X becomes 1. Y becomes minus 2. I can substitute 3 into 1. I can substitute and verify. 3 into 1 is 3. Minus 4 into minus 2 is plus 8 is equal to 11. 5 into 1, 5. Minus 3 into minus 2 is minus 6. 5 minus 6 is minus 1. It should satisfy both the equations simultaneously. That's the reason why I call it as system of simultaneous equations. I already told you, system of simultaneous equations. Okay, let me have the same set of equations, and I'll tell you how to go about elimination method. Instead of having a different sum, I will explain how to go about same problem. I'll do using substitution method. Substitution method. I already told you I'll try to bring either x in terms of y or y in terms of x, and I'll go back to another equation and then I'll try to solve. It's a real, I'm substituting one variable in terms of the other, therefore it is called substitution method. Okay, now let me just talk about answer there directly so that I'll have more space. Okay, now listen carefully. 1 will imply you 3x equal to 11 plus 4y, which implies x is equal to 11 plus 4y by 3. Okay, therefore substituting this in equation 2, we get, what do I get? 5 into 11 plus 4y whole by 3 plus 3y is equal to minus 1. Let me try to simplify. 55 plus 20y plus 9y is equal to minus 3. I have taken LCM and cross multiply 3. Therefore, here it is reduced to, which implies 29y is equal to minus 3 minus 55, which implies 29y is equal to minus 58, which implies y is equal to minus 58 by 29, which implies y is equal to minus 2. Now let me go back to one of the equations. 1 implies 3x plus 8 is equal to 11, which implies 3x equal to 3 implies x is equal to 1. Therefore solution is, what do I get? I should get the same answer. Answer should not differ. Mode of transportation may be different. Destination should be the same. Therefore, I should not get different answers. Okay, it's only a different method. Therefore, answer should not vary. If the answer is different, I have to come to a conclusion. I have made mistake in some of those steps. Okay, let me just explain once again. 3x minus 4y is equal to 11. 5x plus 3y equal to minus 1. And name them as equation 1 and 2. I have to bring either x in terms of y or y in terms of x. Therefore, from 1, I will write 3x equal to 11 plus 4y. Minus 4y taken to the other side becomes plus 4y. X becomes 11 plus 4y by 3. Substituting this in equation 2. Okay, whenever I use it with this thing, I have to substitute in the second equation. If I get x in terms of y, y in terms of x from second equation, I have to substitute in first equation. Remember that carefully. Okay, therefore 5 into 11 plus 4y whole by 3 plus 3y is equal to minus 3. Take LCM. 5 into 11 is 55, 5 into 4y is 20y, 3 into 3y is 9y. Therefore, by 3 cross multiplied here becomes minus 3. Therefore, 29y, 20y plus 9y, 29y is minus 3 minus 55, it becomes minus 58. Therefore, minus 58 by 29 becomes minus 2. Go back to equation 1. 3x minus 4 into minus 2 becomes plus 8 is equal to 11. 3x equal to 3. Therefore, x is equal to 1. Therefore, solution becomes x equal to 1, y is equal to minus 2, which we have already checked in the previous case. 3 into 1 minus of minus 8. Minus 4 minus of minus becomes plus 8. 3x plus 8 becomes 11. 5x minus 6 becomes minus 1. Therefore, the solution is correct. Answer shouldn't vary, because you may travel in using different mode of transportation. Destination should be the same. In the previous case, I have done using elimination method. Here I am using substitution method. Therefore, answer should be the same. Answer should not vary. If the answer varies, I have to check where I am going wrong, where we are going wrong. Okay. Let me take another example. Okay, let me just take another example how to go about it. We'll just see. Okay, solve using substitution method. Okay, 4x plus 3y is equal to 1. Okay, then 6x plus y is equal to, let us say again 1. Okay, answer 4x plus 3y is equal to 1. Okay, 6x plus y is equal to 1. Equation 2. Just listen. Now, it is easier to bring y in terms of x from 2. I will write it as y is equal to 1 minus 6x. Okay, substituting, okay, this in 1, we get, what do I get here? 6x plus 1 minus 6x. 1 second. I am extremely sorry. I should not substitute. I have substituted in 2. Sorry. That's a small mistake. Okay. Let me just correct myself. Now for 4x plus 3 into 1 minus 6x is equal to 1. Sorry. I wrote 1 here, but instead of substituting 1, I have substituted in 2. I'm sorry. That's a mistake here. Okay. I've identified. Sorry. Therefore, this will imply you 4x plus 3 minus 18x is equal to 1. Are you able to follow? 4x plus 3 minus 18x, which will imply you minus 14x is equal to anyway minus 2, which will imply you x is equal to minus 2 by minus 14, which is 1 by 7. Therefore, go back to equation 1. 1 implies 4 by 7 plus 3y is equal to 1, which implies 3y is equal to 1 minus 4 by 7 is equal to 3 by 7, which implies y is equal to 1 by 7. Therefore, x equal to 1 by 7, y is equal to 1 by 7, y is equal to 1 by 7 is the solution. That is the solution. I don't have space, therefore I left it off. I repeat, 4x plus 3y is equal to 1, equation 1. 6x plus y is equal to 1, equation 2. It's easier to get y in terms of x from 2. Therefore, y becomes 1 minus 6x. Substituting this in 1 we get. By mistake, I substituted in equation 2 itself. I'm sorry. Earlier when I was explaining, I substituted in 2 itself. Okay. Now for 4x plus 3 into 1 minus 6x equal to 1. Now for 4x plus 3 minus 18x equal to 1. 4x minus 18x equal to minus 14x equal to 1 minus 3 is minus 2. X becomes minus 2 by minus 14, 1 by 7. Now for substitute in 1, I will get 4 by 7 plus 3y is equal to 1. 3y is equal to 1 minus 4 by 7 equal to 3 by 7. 3 gets cancelled. Y is equal to 1 by 7. Now for x equal to 1 by 7, y is equal to 1 by 7. Is the required solution. You can just check 4 by 7 plus 3 by 7. 1 by 7 is 1. 6 by 7 plus 1 by 7. 1 by 7 is 1. Okay, 1 by 7 is 1. Okay, I think it is clear. I just made a small mistake. Instead of substituting in 1, I have substituted in 2. Be careful while you do such problems. Okay, I have corrected anyway. Still, I am just telling you that to be very careful. We should not substitute in the same equation after getting x in terms of y, y in terms of x. Okay, let me just take one more example. Solve 3x plus 7y is equal to 4. 5x plus 6y is equal to 1. Okay, 3x plus 7y is equal to 4. Okay, 5x plus 6y, 5x plus 6y is equal to 1. Okay, due to lack of space, I will start the answer here itself. Okay, just listen carefully. Now 1 implies 3x is equal to 4 minus 7y, which implies x is equal to 4 minus 7y by 3. Substituting this, substituting in 2, we get, what do I get? 5 into 4 minus 7y whole by 3 plus 6y is equal to 1, which implies 20 minus 35y plus 18y whole by 3 is equal to 1. Therefore, I mean to say 20 minus 17y is equal to 3, which implies minus 17y is equal to minus 17, which implies y is equal to 1. Therefore, now what I get here is 1 implies 3x plus 7 is equal to 4, implies 3x equal to minus 3, implies x is equal to minus 1. Therefore, x equal to minus 1, y is equal to 1 is the solution. x equal to -1, y is equal to 1 is the solution. Okay, we can just check. Okay, -3 plus 7 is 4, -5 plus 6 is 1, it's correct. Let me explain once again. 3x plus 7y equal to 4, I name it as equation 1. 5x plus 6y equal to 1, I name it as equation 2. Now 1 implies 3x equal to 4 minus 7y. X becomes 4 minus 7y by 3. Substitute in equation 2. Okay, we have to be very careful. I did a mistake even in the previous problem. Okay, we should not substitute in the same equation. I'm sorry. Okay, for 5 into 4 minus 7y by 3 plus 6y is equal to 1. 20 minus 35y plus 18y by 3 is 1. For 20 minus 17y here is equal to 3. Minus 17y is minus 17, y is 1. For equation 1 becomes 3x plus 7 is 4. 3x is minus 3, x is minus 1. For x is minus 1, y is 1 is the solution. For minus 3 plus 7 becomes 4. Minus 5 plus 6 becomes 1. So solution is correct. Okay. Now for I think I have taken almost 3 problems. Okay. Just for you to understand. Okay. Rest will continue in the next video. As usual, I will just go through. If there is any correction, I will add it up. I hope there is no correction. In the middle of the answers, there was a small correction which I corrected myself immediately. Okay, if there is any other correction, I will do it immediately. Thank you, students.